This video explains how to reset the code on a resettable combination lock. These locks are perfect for your escape rooms that use a 4-digit secret code. Make sure you purchase or have a resettable combination lock. The one I'll be using in this video is linked in the description below. It's a great value considering you can reuse them as many times as you'd like with different combination codes. To begin, you'll want to dial the current code. The factory settings is 0000 for the first time settings, and pull out the shackle. Turn the shackle 90 degrees counterclockwise to the code settings gap. Press the shackle down until the shackle pin is fully inside the gap. While the shackle pin is inside the gap, continue to turn the shackle another 90 degrees counterclockwise. While the shackle is in this position, scroll the dials to set your own combination. In this example, the new combination will be 7259. Once your new combination is set, turn the shackle back to the code settings gap. Lift it up and then back to the original position. Turn the code line numbers to set the lock. Now we are going to test the new combination and open the lock. We will then reset to another code. Find the code settings gap and press the shackle down until it is fully inside the settings gap. Turn 90 degrees counterclockwise to the new code line and set your new combination. The new code is 2469 for this example. Return the shackle back to its original position, press down and scroll the numbers on the code line. Your new 4-digit code is set and ready to go.